you both combine. One time, I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Young guy, you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time.
Hey guys, and welcome to my tour. So right here, this is our first bed that we have. It's like these things. So we got a bed, we got a little sofa. This is our closet. Oh, we got more water. We got water. I'm taking that robe and a slipper. And we have robes.
Oh, I need that because I need the water.
So we got 2 robes, we got waters and slippers. We're gonna probably ask for more robes.
Oh, there's some wine
Yeah,
there.
more
Slippers. Because it's 4 of us.
Yeah, more.
And then we have a little TV that we're probably never gonna turn on. We have a little coffee station. The only person that's gonna be drinking this is Delicia. She likes to make tea every damn day. And then we have my sister and my cousin section, because you know they want to pick first. And they pick this side first. And then we have the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. And then this is the shower. Really nice. And I think it leads to the balcony as well. But I want to show you guys that in the other room. We also have a balcony with a view. This is the balcony. It has 2 little sofas that we can just chill at. And then this is our view, which is really, really nice. You can see like the water over there. It's really cute. And this is, what's that?
The ocean.
Oh, you can see the ocean over there. And then this is another entrance where I guess where the bathroom was. As you guys can see. Which is like lit. Like.
Time, yeah. You've got some vacation time. One time, yeah. You and your girlfriend, 2 bad mind. One time, yeah. Bad when you both combine. One time, yeah. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Young guy, you look so nice, but you're not nice.
We're about to get something to eat because it's 1:52. We landed like at 11 o'clock. We literally woke up at 6 o'clock. I don't know. Yeah, I haven't talked to you guys at all. But welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Yemidi. I'm going to say this outside. So y'all just yap. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Yemidi here. This is going to be my vacation travel vlog. So it's about to be lit. We're in San Juan. We're in the hotel. What's the hotel called? We're staying at the old Lev 55. I think that's what it's called. But we're about to get something to eat at the hotel. I have this thing on my forehead because I had a little pimple this morning.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body not too tight.
Thank you.
Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
I look like mashed potato.
No, it kind of like great. Oh.
You've been missing since 2006. Squid at me, one fixed. You know that's my sis.
My bestie bought me a gift, y'all. I'm about to open it. Are you ready? I'm gonna close my eyes. Happy birthday. Thank you. I know. Oh my God. Period.
So cute.
I needed a new wallet.
Yes.
Oh my God, I
I was
love
trying to think like, what the fuck don't Mario got? Like,
I'm fucking
I'm like, I've never seen her with a fucking wallet.
Okay, you just see my wallet.
I'm so out of
Oh, thank you. Let me give you a hug.
things. They're gonna hate me.
Okay, Okay, so we're done getting ready. We're about to go get some hookah. One thing about this place, if you're staying in San Juan, Mondays and Tuesdays, places are closed, like clubs are closed. So luckily I found a hookah lounge to go to that closed at 2 a.m. and like 4 a.m. So we're about to go there right now. I want to show you guys my outfit though. Let me show you my outfit. I'm wearing this dress, a pretty little thing, and then I'm wearing my Christian Dior slides, my Prada bag, and then these shades, which are super cute, that I got from I think I got this from Amazon. I showed you these in my video, my Get Ready With Me to Travel video. So that is my fit, and we are ready to go. I'm gonna record whatever I can at the place, so I will see you guys there.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a deep bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it.
Hola, thank you.
Kilo fat, I'm on that jugger there. Fine, fine, no bucket there. Watch your love for like it. Why not more than your body, chakara. Bush it ready, yeah, imade. Double see, kilo fat. Why now?
So we had brunch this morning. Now we're doing jet ski. We're at this beach. We're gonna do jet ski. I look so cute right now. I have on a Ghani hat, and then the whole like full bathing suit, and then just my money bag, and then it's so cool because my bestie's matching me. Twins. We're twinning today. It's so cute. And then my cousin also looks cute. My sister looks cute too, but I'll show them if I can. I'll show them later.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.